Have you ever wanted your text to be editable inside a note? In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can do just that. So let's get started. The first thing you will do is open up a note. Once you're in a blank note, find the paperclip at the bottom in your tools, press on it, and then you're going to look for Scan Text. Find text that you're interested in, and when it appears in the window, press Insert. Now you have the text from the original publication into your note. Why do this? You might need to edit it so that it's something useful for a meeting. In the comments below, why don't you go ahead and tell me why you may feel that it's useful to turn a PDF document into text. If you found this video helpful, it would be great if you could click the like button, subscribe to my channel so that you'll always know when new videos are out. And if you'd like to support my channel, go ahead and become a member. It's not very expensive. See you next time.